Welcome traders! Today I will be bringing you a double stock review as part of my video series where I cover some of my hottest stock picks and look deep into their potential and value. These are stocks that I have either personally traded with successfully or ones that have piqued my interest due to their performance and growth. And before I get into it guys, I will be coming out with more videos including trading tutorials and stock picks each week. So if you wish to see more videos like this one, please hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Now today I will be discussing my top stock picks Revolve and Tapestry, ticker symbols RVLV and TPR. I will be diving into the fundamental analysis, assessing the stock performance as well as the financial health of the companies. We'll touch on technical analysis and the potential for short-term gains versus long-term gains. And finally, I will be giving you my opinion as to whether I think these stocks are of good value and whether they will bring a good return on investment for you. So let's get into it. Revolve and Tapestry are both upscale fashion houses. Revolve features sports and luxury clothing and beauty brands such as Yeezys, makeup brands such as Colourpop, Becca, and they are represented by some of the most well-known faces in fashion such as the Victoria's Secret models. And Tapestry features upscale modern and luxury clothing brands and accessories such as Coach bags and Kate Spade. So first up, RVLV recently had a very positive earnings report and experienced a subsequent growth explosion, which as of last week, they were trading at a price point of $14.93 per share. For Q1 2020, Revolve reported an EPS of 6 cents per share, beating the consensus estimate of 4 cents per share by 2 cents. The business had a revenue of $146 million compared to the analyst estimates of $140 million. So this is obviously very positive news and a nice surprise to their investors, which drove the stock up really high last week. The 52-week low was $7.17, the 52-week high was $48.36. The average traded volume is 1.03 million shares daily. They have a market cap of 1.04 billion. The number of free float shares available for public trading is 15.6 million. The current analyst rating is that the company is overvalued. For the short-term outlook, this current stock value is trading at a great discount in comparison to its 52-week high price point. So even with the current growth spurt, the current stock price is still at a 69% discount from its high. In terms of the volatility, so how much range the stock trades at, the volatility is currently 87.85%. So we can say that the stock is moderately liquid right now, which is said to be very beneficial if you're looking to get into it for the short term. The volume of shares traded on May 14th was 4.29 million shares, so we can say that this stock is in high demand right now. The forward PE is 76.92%, so this is also very high. So with all that, I would say that this stock is a good stock to buy for the short term. For the long term, this company has a cash flow of 65.42 billion. With no current debt, which is a plus. So of course, this demonstrates that this company has extremely good financial health. And taking into consideration the fact that the current price is at a huge discount from its 52-week highs, the potential for growth over time, and with their recent Q1 earnings showing extremely positive growth during the worst of times, I would definitely consider this stock to be a great long-term investment. No dividends are currently offered by this company. However, if we look back at the stock crash that happened last month, we'll see that the stock dipped to $7.30 on March 23rd and also dipped again to $8.63 on April 2nd. So this represents the lowest price point that people are willing to pay for it. So in answer to the question of, is the current stock price worth it? I would say yes, it is. Now looking at how much growth you can expect this stock to have in any given week, I took a snapshot of the growth of this stock from the period of April 6th through April 9th, with April 10th being closed for Good Friday. And during that time, I found that the stock gained a value of $1.42 during that period, with a subsequent growth of 15.68% during the same period. However, we've seen this past week the stock grow from $10 to almost $15 in 1 week. So in terms of how quickly you can expect a return on investment in any given week, I would say that there is a strong chance of you having a good return on investment with this stock. So if I were to buy this stock, I would be looking to get into it at or around the $13 price point. And thinking about it speculatively, if we were to buy ourselves 400 shares at the $13 price point for an investment of $5,200, and say if we allowed this stock to grow until it hit its previous 52-week high, the stock could potentially be worth over $19,300 with a potential return of $14,144 during that time. So in terms of its potential, I would say that yes, there is a great deal of potential for profit and return on investment with this stock. So I recently swung this stock RVLV for a good profit. What I did was I purchased 200 shares at $8.20 on the 3rd of April and subsequently sold the shares on the 7th of April for a price of $9.16 for a total profit of $113. So that's just a concrete example right there. And finally, doing a quick technical analysis, looking at the chart from May 11th through the 15th, we see a support in the $12.90 area and an overhead resistance in the $14.90 area, with the chart showing an overall bullish pattern. Now moving on to TPR, this stock is currently trading at a price point of $12.41 per share. The 52-week low was $10.18 per share. The 52-week high was $32.44 per share. The average traded volume is 5.8 million shares daily. They have a market cap of $3.29 billion. The number of free float shares available for public trading is 275.1 million. The current analyst rating is that the company is undervalued. For the short-term outlook, this current stock value is trading at a moderate discount in comparison to its 52-week high price point. So in relation to that, we can say that the current stock price is at a 62% discount from its high. The volatility is currently 79.8%, so we can say that the stock is highly liquid right now. The volume of the volume of shares traded on May 14th was 6.3 million shares, so this stock is in high demand right now. The forward PE is 7.02%, which is not that high. However, putting everything into context, I would say that this is a good stock to buy for the short term. Now, for the long term, this company has a cash flow of $898.2 billion, a current debt of $3.85 billion, resulting in a cash to debt ratio of 23%, which is a moderate score in terms of financial health. And if we take 100 and divide it by 23, we get 4.4, which demonstrates that it would take approximately 4.4 years for TPR to pay off their debt at the present rate, which isn't bad. So given the current ratio, I would say that the company's financial health is okay, and taking into consideration the fact that the current price is at a modest discount from its 52-week highs and the potential for growth over time, I would consider the stock to be a good long-term investment. For investor perks, this company offers investors an annual dividend of 34 cents per share, which is great. Now, if we look back at the stock crash that happened last month, we see that the stock dipped to $10.58 on March 23rd and also dipped again to $11.01 on April 2nd. So this represents the lowest price point that people are willing to pay for it. So in answer to the question of, is the current stock price worth it? I would say yes, it is. Now, looking at how much growth you can expect this stock to have in any given week, looking at a snapshot from April 6th to April 9th, I found that the stock gained a value of $2.92 during that period, with a subsequent growth of 21.5% during the same period. So in terms of how quickly you can expect a return on investment in any given week, I would say that there is a strong chance of you having a good return on investment with this stock. In regards to the Q1 earnings, Tapestry reported an earnings loss of 27 cents per share, which was greater than the consensus estimate loss of 16 cents per share by 11 cents, which is of course worse than expected, so not very good news there. The company earned $1.07 billion during the quarter compared to the consensus estimate of $1.08 billion, and stated that its revenue for the quarter was down 19.4% on a year-over-year basis, which is of course understandable given the current pandemic. Now, doing a quick technical analysis, looking at the chart from May 11th to 15th, we see a support in the $11.70 area and an overhead resistance in the $12.50 area, with the chart showing an overall bearish pattern. But with that said, I feel that in comparison, RVLV is the stronger performer of the two. But nonetheless, I feel like both of these companies are good buys for the short and long-term trader, especially since they are both at such discounted rates and their potential for future growth. So I do recommend, if you are interested in trading these stocks, then you can buy them now as they both appear to be at good buy points, or you can wait to see if the price drops even further, as I do expect there to be more price dips as the market bounces around on news of the pandemic. But I fully expect that people will clamor to start buying brands again once they're able to do so. And also looking ahead, I do anticipate both these stocks to recover their previous highs in the near future as the economy stabilizes and slowly gets back to normal again. But guys, do feel free to formulate your own opinions and just use this review as a tool to help you in determining which stocks you feel are right for you. But remember guys, nothing is more important to a trader than having good risk management. So remember to never trade with more than 1% of your account at a time. Be sure to take profits early, don't get greedy, and always guys, have a stop loss once you're into a trade to minimize any losses if the trade does go against you. Do your own research on stocks that you're interested in and never ever trade a stock just because someone recommended you to do so. So anyway, I hope that you found this review educational, and if you did find value in it, please give me a thumbs up as it really does help me out. And if you would like more trade ideas and help planning your trades as well as finding the best stocks to invest in, then please don't hesitate to reach out to me on Instagram at tradewithme. That's a 3, not an E at the end. And you can also follow me for an instant follow back. And now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments if you will be trading the stock this week, or if not, I'd love to hear your thoughts. And stay tuned to the channel as I will be coming out with new tutorials and new hot stock picks each week. So be sure to subscribe for more content like this. And with that, I would say thank you for watching and stay safe, people. Peace out.